Cheer.
Yeah.
Boy Sif, welcome to my channel.
On
today's video, we weld up the diff on my BF skid car. Big shout out to all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Just a worry from Bargaday, try to make nothing out of something. Anyway, let's get it with some 400 mods. Cheer. Anyway, first up, gotta move to Rixie.
But I really sell a hit, it's my niche. And business at the beat, so I had to hit the switch. And now I'm all in, I ain't on the
fence.
All these rappers peep my game, I ain't talking Twitch. Man, I'm trying to get rich, I'm trying to make my wrist match the plaques. I started from the bottom, I ain't going back. Told all the dogs, we gon' make it out. I would never fall, you can't take me out. I'm popping like a zit, I'm breaking out, and I am hella lit. You want a couch? They said I wasn't good enough, but that's in one ear and not the other. And they don't wanna see me shine like they close the shutters. But when I said I'm top 5, I didn't stutter. I put the 6 on my
yeah, it's still a couple of little bits and pieces I gotta do on this, but I'm not too worried about it. Can do that after I've finished setting the BF up for chrome. Yay, I think she might be warm enough to move. Listen to some booms, eh? As you guys can see, need to tidy up the interior again. But yeah, she goes again, she lives again, which is good. Oh yeah, she's got third gear again too. Fuck, this garage is a mess again. But anyway, grab some tools, welder, brake cleaner, and we on. Anyway, I'm gonna drag this bitch out. Hopefully you guys can see properly.
Say E for the blow, take that to the grave. Either way, I'm getting paid. Either way, the money ain't late. Funny how they stream what he hate. Probably get the girl, give me plays. Yeah. I don't wanna talk, get a ringtone. Out on the beach like I'm Lilo. Plaques on my wall like I'm CeeLo. Gold as fuck, what you mean, bro? I own everything, what's a repo? Cash out looking like a cheat code. She playing bass, so it tastes so rico. Get the fuck out my face, I might be though. Yo, what's the case? They gon' always try to hate. They want something to debate. I just chill and meditate. Plus 2 shows in every state. Plus my baddie got some cake. She texts me like I can't wait. I text her I'm on the way. Cause it can go one of 2 ways. You can say E for the blow, take that to the grave. Either way I'm getting paid. Either way the money ain't late. It's funny how they stream what he hate. It's funny how they stream what he hate. Yeah, love, telepathy. They feel my shit when I'm overseas. I get it bouncing like double D's. I save the earth when I'm planting trees. Captain Planet with a felony cuz I give island for the cause of I must. Not a shooter but my homie on buzz. My reflection only one that I trust. Ooh. I get that, I wanna tour like back to back. I get a bag, invest it back, 2x back and I make that last. When it's your time, that shit come fast. They compare me to my stats, but I know I got the bag, so I just sit back and laugh. Ha. Yo, what's the case? They gon' always try to hate. They want something to debate. I just chill and meditate. Plus 2 shows in every state. Plus my baddie got some cake. She texts me like I can't wait. I text her I'm on the way, cause it can go one of 2 ways. You can say E for the blood, take that to the grave. Either way I'm getting paid. This way the money ain't late. It's funny how you stream what he hate. Funny how you stream what he hate, yeah. Learn telepathy. They feel my shit when I'm overseas. I get it bouncing like double D's. I save the earth when I'm planting trees. Got the planet with a felony cuz I get by that for the cause of a nudge. Not a shooter to my homie or buzz.
Yeah. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake on. Get out my way. I need space I'm about to take on. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way. It's too easy, it's a layup. Give me my space, I'm in my pride. I was a prisoner, all of the mind. Now I'm a traveler leading the line. They wanna cut me, I'm bleeding divine. Home of the greed, land of the slaves. No, we ain't free, still we do great. No, we ain't free, still we do great. Yeah. Still we do great. I gotta say it and say it and say it again. Me and the devil ain't making amends. I've been a rebel since Lego and friends. I gotta make it and spin. I set the trend, king of the fall. Home of the winter, by spring I'll be gone. I don't be putting it all on the ground, so they never know what the hell I be on. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way. I need space I'm about to take on. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up.
Yay, she's out.
Just a little bitty boy with hopes and dreams. Then those hopes they manifested to nobody dope as me. Hoop dreams, rap wars, this pop culture.
Anyway, that's enough cook rest. Charge the GoPro a bit. And yeah, we'll see you soon. So I could have thought he played, but I'm just gonna weld those bolts. Find him for those bolts. Weld those in there. Yeah, I'm not sure whether I can put you guys on my helmet, so I'll give you guys an update too.
Pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my brain. Yeah, yeah. Pick your spot, pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my brain. Pick your spot, pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my brain. Pick your spot, pick your poison, pick some cotton, pick my brain. Get out my way, I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way, I need space I'm about to take on. Get out my way.
So we welded it up. I'm just cleaning up all the surfaces, getting ready to put the backpack on it. Check. Anyway, time to pack up, Plan is, we're gonna use some metal New-Tech shit and New-Tech the bushels solid. As you can see, they're all fucked. But yeah, like I said before, for harder performance right here, G. And that's all I can do. I don't really want to replace it with new ones, just to wreck them some more. So yeah, that was my idea, was to get some 2-part metal. Oh, was it cold weld? And pull the whole bushes up with cold weld and see how that goes. But yeah, we're gonna drag this back underneath the car so that fucking it won't get stolen. So yeah, we'll drag that back underneath the car and wait until I buy some fucking cold weld. But yeah,
Curry with the free throw, running things like Rico. Say he don't wanna fight
Fucking hell.
me. You scared, homie? We know. Transform like Kylie Jenner, to the money like Tay Spencer. Handmade, I'm a breadwinner. Pockets deep, I'm a big spender. Attention on me when I'm in the center. Dress shaking like I got a trimmer. On the side like I was a fender. Mix it up, but I'm not a blender. No, I'm not moving that weight, but I'm feeling like Tony Montana. Rappers don't want on my plate. Keep it covered like I'm a cabana. On the top like I was a bandana. Have your cap peeled, no banana. And I'm showing out for the camera, and I'm never running out of stamina. Say you number one in your city, I just came up in it and I take your place. I cannot mess with these rappers, can you back up out of my personal space? I'm number one in this race. Lyrics burning like it's mace.
Fucking clean up the cheers.
My talent is something that you can't erase. Say you number one in your city, I just came up in it and I take your place. I cannot mess with these rappers, can you back up out of my personal space? I'm number
But
one
yeah,
in
the
this
diff,
race.
like I was saying, the diff's all ready to go, all locked now. Just gotta get some new ticks so I can reinstall this. Check this over here. Clean up my mess. But anyway, cheers for watching. Yeah, just trying to think of ways to bring you guys more content. The only thing I can think of is taking you guys for a ride with my while I'm doing shit on my car. So anyway, please like, share and subscribe. Cheers for watching anyway. Till the next one. Cheers.